Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds AirPods Pro 3. And the first one, that when you listen to music or watching the movie, you don't need to use your phone. You can use controls at your earbuds. On the sides we have touch areas right here, and with these gestures you can play or pause the song, you can play next or previous track, you can volume control your audio or video. You can also call voice assistant, but you need to add to call a Siri using these earbuds, because by default you switch between ambient sound control, and you can add Siri for the press and hold. You need to go to the settings, then tap at your headphones at the top in the settings, and just change listening mode for the press and hold to Siri, and you can call the Siri. Next, we have ambient sound control. So we have ANC, what means active noise cancellation, and this ANC much better than what Apple offer in AirPods Pro 2. I check it, and this one is better. This is my favorite mode, so you can use it, or you can use adaptive mode. It will change your ANC depend of the background, or you can use transparency mode. When you meet someone, you don't need to remove your earbuds, you just enable transparency, and your headphones will use microphones to hear someone. Also, you can enable conversation awareness. And if you use this mode, so let's say you use ANC mode, then you wear your earbuds and start speaking, it will enable transparency. So now I'm start speaking, and as you can see I switch to transparency from ANC. When I start speaking, I will return to my previous mode. And as you can see, it works. Then you can take a hearing test right here, and then you can enable hearing assistant after you take this test, and you can use it. You can also enable hearing protection. You need to enable hearing protection, then click setup EN352, and then only turn on it. But you cannot use normal mode from ambient sound control with hearing protection. So you need to disable hearing protection to enable normal mode. Yeah. So if you want to this mode to use. Then we have camera control. We can use camera control, so you need to set for the single press or press and hold, and then you can open the camera and take a picture, or start recording video, or stop recording video, and it's a good one. And it works only if you enable camera. Then we have also headphones gestures, and you can use a gesture with your head, so you need to move up or down to do something. Actually, right here we have head gestures, so you can also modify it and change this gesture, and I recommend you to try it. It's a good one. You can also click try to check how it works. Then also we have spatial audio, and this one is a good one, and you can perform personalized spatial audio for you. So you need to find spatial audio, then click the personalized spatial audio, and then set up it for you. By the way, at this channel we have video how to perform it, so you can check it if you don't know how. And also we have a cool feature. I guess this one is a new feature, because I don't remember on AirPods Pro 2. So we can pause media when falling asleep. I already use this mod and I like it. I used it yesterday. It's a good one, really. So you can also use it. If you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can fix it by perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that, on the front side, under the LED light, we have touch area. You need to double press at this touch area 3 times. And then you need to only reconnect them with your phone. You will see the pop-up, or you need to go to the settings, Bluetooth, and tap at your earbuds. If you still don't know how to perform the factory reset, you can check video at this channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!